Good morning, guys. I'm inside the Ferrari F8 Spider and I'm gonna do a cold start. It's gonna be loud. Let's do it. Amazing, right? Let's go. I like it top down, even if it's super polluted here in the Philippines. But I mean, you get the sensation of the wind, you get more sound coming from the exhaust and engine.
Because the people would know who's driving.
Yeah, well, it's tinted, so they can see us. Hi guys, welcome back to Import Hookup channel, where stock is always boring. My name is KBH, and today, guys, I have a special treat. I have this beautiful and gorgeous Ferrari F8 Spider. I'm gonna show you all the mods that we did to this car. Let's check it out. So guys, this car has tons of carbon fiber from 1016. And this is the main piece. This is the hood vent from 1016 Industries. It's really good looking, in my opinion. I like this design. Also, this carbon fiber front lip is from 1016. Makes it more badass with this lip. This is also 1016. They call it the front bumper insert. Super good quality. The fitment is perfect. Can't really complain. I love it. Also, this is from 1016. Normally, it's just one open vent, but this one has some fins and design, and I really like it. So these are Anarchy Wheels, 3-piece, meaning to say it has a center, which is finished in double dark tint satin, then the outer lip and the inner lip. This is finished in double dark tint gloss finish, and it's wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport 4S, measuring 245, 35, 20. Then let's head to the back. This is bigger, guys. This measures 355, 25, 21. Bigger in diameter, wider at the rear, and also more concave. This whole thing is from 1016 as well. The design makes it more badass looking. Normally, the F8 design side skirt is just here and there, but this extends the design and looks way nicer. This piece is from Novitec. We waited this piece before we shot this video, actually. I waited for like 2 months just to order this part. It's worth it, I guess. I wanted to shoot it last year, but the problem is this is not available. I mean, we ordered all the parts way ahead of time before this car was released. So the owner, he loves to modify his car, so he ordered all these parts before he bought the car. Here, this is actually full carbon fiber, guys, from 1016, but we painted it to match the color of the body. I do believe it's a huge piece to have like a black carbon. So we decided to just get and make a line and make it like a ducktail design. Looks nice. Do you agree?
Yeah, super clean.
Super clean. Then the J vents are from 1016 as well. Carbon fiber.
1016, everything.
Yeah. Also, this whole piece is from 1016. They call it the upper and the lower lip. Everything's carbon fiber, guys. And I was telling you guys that the owner scraped the carbon fiber, and this is this part. It has some scratches already. Yeah. So that's why we decided to put to make the car higher, just for that. But yeah, if this was my car, I'll just scrape the hell out of it and make it just slam the car. But this is not mine, so it is a customer car, so it is what it is. Also, they say, how do you differentiate a 488 and a F8? Basically, if you see quad taillights, that's F8. The 488 has only two, left and right. This has two on each side. So yeah, that's it. Also, as mentioned, these are the limited edition Akrapovic 30 years exhaust. This is milled titanium. Super good looking exhaust tips. Look at that. And it has the logo, roughly around $1 million something, just for the exhaust. Yeah, it's buying a new car. Yeah, for an exhaust, people go crazy, and that's $1 million plus exhaust. It's crazy when you modify cars like this. The parts are so expensive. It's playful, right? No words, man. Actually, the weather now, right now, it's pretty good for a top-down. Yeah, not too hot. Yeah,
It's not even raining.
yeah. I think choosing between like an F8 Tributo or a Spider, I would choose this any day.
Oh God. Okay.
Yeah, the sound is crispy, no? Yeah, like
It's thick.
yeah,
Sounds
thick. Yeah, and they say 488s or F8 doesn't sound really good. To be honest, I really like the sound of this turbo car. It's not too high-pitched, but not too muffled. It sounds like almost an NA car, to be honest. So, especially when it's coming from a Akrapovic exhaust titanium, the titanium material is much more thinner, so it's producing more higher pitch sound as compared to a normal stainless one. So that's why we installed this kind of exhaust on this car, mainly because of the sound. To end this episode, I'm gonna let you guys hear the exhaust sound one last time. And that's it for today's episode. Like, subscribe, and share. And see you guys on the next one.